Hi everyone, today I'm sharing my method for making the ultimate juicy burgers at home using chicken style burgers from Fry's Family Food. These burgers are meaty, juicy and so flavorful, just what a burger should be, although they are veggie burgers. And they are so much fun to make. Prepare this burger at home for your own choice of whatever toppings that catch your fancy, and let the sauces drip as you wish. After all, it's your burger. Who is to say what you should or should not be doing? So let's first prepare the burger buns. These are homemade, soft, fluffy buns with flax seeds. But you could purchase burger buns to save time. Slice the buns into two and spread some vegan butter generously on them. These are the burger patties that I'm using. They come in plastic-free packaging, so that's a plus point for them. The patties are crumb-coated and look luscious. There are 4 patties in a pack, but I'm using only 2 for today. Make sure to have all your vegetables and sauces ready for the toppings, because you need to assemble the burgers as soon as the patties are out from the pan sizzling hot, so you can enjoy them while they are still hot. Let's now start toasting the buns in a non-stick pan at moderate heat. Let them get slightly browned and then set them aside. In the same pan, let's grill the burger patties. Add about 1 teaspoon vegan butter to ensure the patties are cooked evenly on the inside. Use a spatula to press the patties and make little cuts to help the cooking process. This should take about 5 minutes. Now they are almost ready. Add a slice of vegan cheddar cheese here if you want a cheesy burger. I am using wildlife cheddar slices. Let it sizzle for another 2 minutes. Now the patties are ready. This is the fun part. Here I have sliced some cucumbers, red onions, tomatoes and lettuce for the topping. I'm starting with a mayonnaise, vegan of course. Be generous with the sauces. That is the trick to get the burgers to be really juicy. Let's start with lettuce, then tomatoes. You can choose to pile up the toppings any way you wish. Now the best part, the most flavorful chicken style burger with a cheese topping. Then squeeze some tomato or chili sauce. This really looks so good. We'll finish off with some crunchy cucumber slices and onion rings. Now we are ready to cover with the other half of the bun. I like how the chicken style burger is slightly crispy on the outside but still tender inside. It is really flavorful and all that one expects from a chicken burger, although it is plant-based. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you.